In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find IDs on a board in Trello. Trello is a powerful tool for organizing projects, tasks, and workflows. And sometimes you might need to access specific IDs for cards, lists, or boards to integrate with other tools or automate processes. While Trello doesn't offer a direct way to view these IDs in its interface, you can easily find them by exporting your board data as a JSON file. Don't worry if this sounds technical, I'll walk you through the process step by step so it's clear and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, open the Trello board you'd like to work with. This is the board where you'll extract the IDs, so make sure to navigate to the correct one before we proceed. Once your board is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots. This is the menu icon, and it's where you'll find the settings and advanced options for your board. Click on the 3 dots icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll see several options, but the one you're looking for is labeled Export as JSON. This is the feature that allows you to download all the data from your Trello board in a structured format. Go ahead and select this option. Once you've clicked Export as JSON, your browser will begin downloading a file. This file contains all the information from your Trello board, including the IDs we're looking for. After the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder, or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. Next, you'll need to open the JSON file. You can do this using any text editor, such as Notepad or TextEdit. But for better readability, I recommend using a specialized JSON viewer. There are many free tools available online that can display the data in a clear, organized format, making it much easier to work with. Once the file is open, copy all the contents of the JSON file. This means selecting all the text in the file and copying it to your clipboard. If you're using a text editor, you can typically do this by pressing Ctrl+A to select everything, followed by Ctrl+C to copy. Now, paste the copied contents into your JSON viewer. If you've chosen an online tool, simply paste the text into the input area provided. The JSON viewer will automatically organize the data into a more readable structure, breaking it down into sections for cards, lists, tasks, and other elements of your Trello board. From here, navigate through the organized data in the JSON viewer. You'll notice that each item, such as a card, list, or task, has a unique ID associated with it. These IDs are typically located within the details of each item, so take your time to explore the data and locate the specific IDs you need for your project. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to retrieve the IDs for any item on your Trello board. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.